Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how we can purchase a course on mobile phone. So for that we will scroll down a bit over the website and then we can select any course we want to purchase and click on that. After that we can choose online or offline mode for which we want to go with, either online or offline as per the requirement, and then we can click on the select options button. Then this course will be added on to our purchasing cart. Now if you want to add on more courses, you can go back to the home screen, and over the home screen you will also notice the cart icon, and in that you can see one course is added on. So now I am adding a free course also to this cart. So whatever courses you want to purchase in one go, you can add them to the cart and then do the final process. So again, enroll now and click on view cart, as I don't want to add more courses to it. So here you can see both the courses are being there, the Arduino one and the free online Python. So in case if you have any coupon code, you can add it on. And I have removed the Arduino course for the ease of process. And after that I am clicking on proceed to checkout. Now if you are a new user, then you need to add on all these details before proceeding, or if you are a already existing member, then you can use the ID that you have created before. So I have entered all the details in it and clicked on login. After the successful login, you can see all the details are already pre-filled, because these are the details that I have filled while creating the account or while purchasing the course previously also. So if you are a new user, you can check out our video how to purchase a course for a new user or purchasing course on PC. That will help you. Then click on place order, and now you can see the order has been placed successfully. Once you place this order, you will also receive this order summary over the mail as well. So for accessing the course, you can check out the other video as well. In case if you face any technical issues with this, you can contact back to our team. Thank you.